Hey yo, your boy DeVintage got some early heat in. I know you already seen by the thumbnail and the title. You know what we got, but we got to lead up to the suspense. We got to check them out together. So stick around, sit back, hit that like button, and let's get into today's unboxing over some low-key heat, bro. It's going to be some sleepers, but it's some heat in my opinion. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning and tapping into today's video, man. Thank you guys so much. Can't thank you guys enough. Y'all been going crazy on the channel with the likes, going crazy with the comments, and new members of the channel, man. So if you are new here, let me know down below in the comment section. And what I always ask you guys in every single video, if you don't do anything else, if you don't even look at my video for 2 more seconds, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. It shows me you guys want to see these early looks, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing. Hey, we got to bring out the Rambo knife for this one right here. You guys can see we got the heater knife, and let's go ahead and get into here, bro. I was scrolling on GOAT. I was scrolling on StockX. I'm like, bro, what's early? What can I get to show the Vintage Squad? What can I give them, you know what I'm saying, as a treat? Early looking. These right here were on the top of my radar and the top of the list for early sneakers to get, and now we finally have them, bruh. And shouts out to the GOAT app. You guys know I rock with GOAT heavy. People always ask me, is GOAT legit? Do you like GOAT? Yes, GOAT is 100% legit. Some stuff does happen, of course. You know, ain't no company perfect, I would say, but as long as I've been shopping on GOAT, man, everything been a-okay. Got a lot of tissue paper in here. You guys can see, bro. Check out the box. Check out the box. You guys should know. If you're a real OG sneakerhead, you probably know exactly what's in this box, or about a thumbnail, you know, but it is what it is. We're just talking at this point. But you guys can see, man, Air Jordan on the top of the box, and the official colorway reads, bro. It reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Black Varsity Royal in white. You guys can see what we have in here, man. Hit that like button, bro. Let's go ahead and get into it. And I actually do have the other version of these that we're gonna compare real quick, man. So let's go ahead and check them out. And this time, I'm gonna actually check them out first, just so I can get that first initial look real quick. You guys know, of course, it comes with the GOAT little card right here, authentication process. But yeah. Okay, yes, sir. You can't go wrong with them, bro. You cannot go wrong with these joints right here at all. And here we have them, man. The Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jam things. And man, y'all can't tell me these ain't cold, bro. Y'all cannot tell me these joints are not cold, man. Holy, I got the highs, and what's ironic about me doing this unboxing right here is I started off my YouTube channel doing a review and on feed over the Air Jordan 11 High Space Jams, which we do have right here. You guys can see we got the highs right here. I'm gonna pull out in just a second, but super ironic. Did my first ever, you know what I'm saying, review and on feed over the highs. So you know what? Gotta get the lows. Gotta get a crispy pair, and you guys see them, man. Check them out. These joints right here is super crispy, super cold. I'm liking them, bro. I'm loving them, and I actually might just show y'all in the thumbnail what we got. I don't know. We're gonna see how the video is here. We're gonna see how the content going. But you guys can see, man, we have them in, and I want to know down below in the comment section, man, how are you feeling about the low versions of these OG colorways? Like, we just got the Shadow 1 lows. We getting loads of the cool grays and other, you know, colorways and stuff like that. But how do you feel about Jordan Brand going half on whatever that silhouette is and giving us a low? Because I know a lot of people are going to be excited for these, and it's going to be another half of people that's like, yo, why didn't y'all just drop the highs? You know, of course, it's always going to be somebody that's complaining. But for me, at first I was like, yo, I don't need them. That's why I got 9.5. I'm like, oh, I might end up keeping them because, bro, these joints are super clean, man. I can't wait till we get another high version of these because my pairs beat what you're going to show here in a second. But check it out, man. All patent leather upper, super shiny, super crispy with the ballistic mesh all on the upper. It's more like a nylon. Is this a nylon or a mesh? I'm not too sure. You guys see all on the upper, just like the highs came. And you do have the Jordan and the logo in the middle of the lacing system, man. And Jordan, blue Jordan on the back. You guys can see it, man. 2-3 right there, little jump, man. And these joints ain't half bad. These joints are not half bad at all. I'm actually digging these things. Like, I'm actually rocking them. And what's perfect about this drop as well is it's the perfect timing to rock them during this season, man. Spring, summertime, rock your nice crispy pair of low top Jordan 11s. This is probably one of the best things to do. I don't really wear highs a lot because of that ankle portion, and it's not comfortable all the time, but rocking a low, I don't see why you wouldn't. And I have a lot of OG low 11s, which is crazy. I got the Bread 11 lows, I got the Space Jam 11 lows, and I feel like I got a couple other ones. Do I got the Concord lows? I don't know. They need the Concord lows to drop again. I remember they did back when I was in high school, but I think it's time to give us a low cut of the Concord joints. That would be super crispy. But man, you guys let me know in the comment section how you feeling about these Space Jam 11 lows. Are you grabbing them? Are you going to be copping? Are you going to let these things sit in your local retailer shops? Because like I said, it's going to be people in between like, yo, do I want them? Do I not? Do I need them? Do I not? It's going to be a lot of those people. But here, I'm not here to persuade you if you're going to cop or not. I'm just showing you guys these early so you can know before you waste your points on FLX, before you waste your points on JD and Finish Line. I'm here for you guys, save you some points, save you some money, give you a quick little early look over something that you might be tempted or interested in grabbing. And I'll have these for a little minute now. I had these for a while, just like I did with the Shadow One lows. There's just so much going on with the channel. But these will be releasing this weekend, May the 18th. I think it's May 18th, if I'm not mistaken. Retail tags, I think 180 or 190, I'm not too sure. Put a little screenshot over here. But if you will be snagging, you will be securing these clean joints, let me know in the comment section, because these are not bad at all. It's not a bad Jordan 11, and I would say it's a filler sneaker, but this is a solid drop from Jordan Brand. Of course, there are other things dropping like J Balvin's, like Travis Scott's, and these going to be pushed to the back burner. You know what I mean? Even those Chanel 3s or whatever those are, there's going to be a lot of shoes that people pass just because they want to get something else that they put more higher on their priority list. But for people that just want you a nice clean pair, Jordan 11s, you don't worry about the hype, you don't worry about nothing else. You want a nice clean OG low cut 11, yo, these is definitely it, bro. I'm telling y'all, clean, crispy, well executed Jordan 11 Space Jams, man. They did their thing with these. So I did enough talking. Let's go ahead and show you guys the Space Jams that dropped back in 2016 or 2017. 2, 3, and 4, 5 on the top. And you got the 45 on the top of the lid. And let's go ahead and check these out. I ain't pulled these out in months, bro. And yeah, I can tell. These things are super yellow, super dusty. But here we have them, the Air Jordan 11 Space Jam highs. You guys can see difference between these and the lows, of course, is the upper. But you got the 4 or 5 on the back of these. The sole is yellowing like crazy, but it's still clean. Yeah, you gotta have that clean OG look to it. And then the upper, man, still looks nice. Kind of dusty, but it is what it is, man. Clean. And a lot of people's favorite Air Jordan 11 of all time. So like I said, man, these might not sit for as long as a lot of people think, because it's gonna be people trying to grab these things. They don't have the Space Jam Air Jordan 11 highs, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, you enjoyed the content, first of all, let me know if you're new. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and leave a huge like on today's video. It'd be greatly appreciated. And we will have a Whatnot live stream tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, and tomorrow, Friday, it's gonna be a dope show. We're giving away a pair of Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, so make sure you tap into it. Click that link down below, join Whatnot, follow me on Whatnot, so you can be entered in for a chance to win a pair of Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. I love y'all, appreciate all the support. All this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.